How much have you spent on bills, food and dining, transportation, or even AI and software services each month across all bank accounts? If you're anything like me, that's a question that's been haunting you for the past little while. Hi, my name is Andrew Gerges, and I've built the solution, Computare. Computare, Latin for calculate, was built to address one key problem. Canadian personal finance is fragmented across multiple bank accounts. So I've rebuilt personal finance monitoring as an AI native system where raw financial data becomes structured intelligence. Computare uses AI for PDF layout extraction, merchant classification and normalization, and receipt OCR, which would be extremely tedious for humans to do across all platforms. Let's have a quick look at how Computare does this. Once a user clones the Git repository to their local machine, they can then open the directory in their code editor of choice and run the command computare init. What this will do is this will start the setup wizard, which will check that the prerequisites are met, configure the environments using the API keys, and then it will import the data. Here you can see that it's extracting the information from the PDFs using PDF miner and rules-based extraction. Then right underneath that, we can see that it's normalizing the merchant names, categorizing the transactions, and detecting any subscriptions. The normalization of the merchant names and the categorizations of the transactions are done using OpenAI's GPT-4o mini model. Lastly, at the bottom here, we can see that it's all configured and the web app is now ready to go. But before we go there, let's go check out the receipt OCR pipeline. All right, so here we are SSH'd into my Linux machine because here what I did is I used local AI models, specifically GLM OCR for the OCR extraction and Qwen 2.5 3 billion instruct for the structured extraction after the OCR. And just as a quick demo, I'm using a receipt from Eddie Bauer here. So these were all already processed, and then here you can see this is the raw OCR output of this receipt, and then you can see here at the bottom that it has done these two-step extraction, and this is the structured output from the OCR pipeline. All right, so now that we've leveraged AI to pull our transactions out of our e-statements and into a structured database, this is what the user gets to see: a full breakdown dashboard of their spending by category, by month, and their recent transactions. They can also see their account balances, top merchants, and subscriptions. And then at the bottom here, you can see your lifetime spending as a little Easter egg. And these are also filterable. So if I want to see my AI and software services purchases by a certain month, I can see those right here. All right, so that's been the demo for Computare. Thank you for watching.